Hey, it's LSFT here today, and today I'm going to go to the dealership to get my first inspection done. So let's see how that experience goes, and I'm also getting my dash cam installed because it was back ordered when I picked up the vehicle brand new, and also trying to see if I can get the recall completed too. So let's get to it. Okay, so as I arrived at the dealership, I'm going to be turning into the dealership and I'll be going into the service bay. So what we typically do is we go into and line up into the service area, and then they will check you in, give you an information card, and then you go meet your service advisor. Within a few minutes, I got arranged with the service advisor and started talking about what needs to be done, and then telling them that I'll be waiting for my vehicle. As usual, they'll serve you donuts, coffee, muffins, all you like to eat, and gives you the opportunity to look at whether vehicles are available in the dealership, and it's just waiting for them to service your vehicle. For me, it took a little longer because of the installation of the dash cam. For most other inspections, it shouldn't take that much more time. What I also found on the lot was the legendary LS400, the vehicle that started everything here. While I was at it, I was going to say, oh, let me pick up that touch-up paint. Again, trying my luck because cadmium orange isn't as common as the whites and blacks out there. Luckily, they did have one in stock, and it was a whopping $15.80 plus tax, almost $18 Canadian for a touch-up paint. One thing I noticed during the inspection or whenever they're doing any work with your car, the Lexus mobile app will continuously give you notifications that your doors are closed or your windows are open. At least at that point you know that they're working on your vehicle, and it's not like it's just sitting there waiting for it to be done. So this is my invoice. So roughly took me about 3 hours and a little bit more of a wait to get everything done today. So just going to go over here. So you see that we did get the 1600 inspection at no cost. I got my dash cam installed. It was already paid for through my purchase of the vehicle. And then they had the Lexus vehicle inspection. You see here that I did my personalized service. So there's two things I've actually changed, because in my previous generation NX, I've also made the same change. I always feel that the lane change, the ticking sound is too strong, so I actually asked them to change it to soft. And also I changed the lane change flash from 3 as default to now 7. I typically take longer to change my lanes, so that's why 3 seems to be too short, so I made that to 7 flashes before it stops. One feedback that I have was they didn't have the 2022 NX customization list. The service advisor had to pull out the 2020 NX personalization and provided me that list to pick from. So I'll try and find what kind of personalizations you can do so that you're well prepared for your first inspection. So you also see here the RD7, which is the video state control reprogram, which is the recall. So that was also completed today. So now my car, hopefully in the app within a few days, that the recall would disappear. So now I got my vehicle back. They washed the outside, and they also cleaned my floor mats. And here's the view of the genuine Lexus dash cam in Canada. I would do another video on this genuine Lexus dash cam when time comes. Stay tuned. So there we have it. The first inspection is complete, the recall was done, my dash cam's installed, and we're at the end of this video. So remember to subscribe, share, comment, and click that bell so that you can get new videos when they're available. Cheers.